Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. This is daily time frame chart, and apparently you possibly seen this down candle here that was made after very nice consolidation period around the level of 72,000 Tethers. So after this consolidation period was actually broken to the downside instead of the upside, we can only say that the corrective cycle, corrective phase on the Bitcoin market is now still in progress. So what is going on here? Let me just show you the current situation, because it looks like all of the movements are in three waves, so we can label them as the ABC. So from the all-time high to the last bottom, we got of course this kind of a wave to the downside. So we got the ABC here made to the downside with 61,113 local low, right? Then we got the movement from this low. So we got the wave A, of course, we got the wave B to the downside, and we got somewhere here the wave C to the downside. So it's another three waves to the upside, counter trend corrective waves. And now we are doing the let's say another corrective cycle, possibly in three waves. However, sometimes these corrective cycles might be in five waves as well. Now let's remove the ABC so we know where we are at, what part of the cycle we are participating in. Let's just manage to label some important levels. So the first of is the level located here. But now the trend lines, possible trend lines. So technical trend lines, one is here. If we move our chart a little bit lower, we can see that there's one more trend line we can label on the chart. This is that one, right? So it looks like this one works quite significantly as well. So we got two trend lines. We will see which one of this will be violated first. Now the second thing is the levels. The levels are of course the horizontal levels. So let's start with the technical resistance. All-time high 73,530. This is the all-time high, we all know it. Now the other level is of course the recent consolidation high, 71,580, let's say 86. So this is that level here. So we got two horizontal levels, two technical resistance. Now support 60,986 is the technical support. We will switch this labeling to the green, and the other very important technical support is 59,228. Of course, this is the low from the March 4th, 2024. So it's almost 1 month old. Now, as you can see, we are trading inside of this. It might be even a triangle or something like that, right? So we have been seeing the continuation of the corrective phase on the Bitcoin. If we get rid of the volume and we add, let's say, RSI indicator. So the RSI indicator will show us. No, this is the one we want to go. There you go. The RSI is showing us that after an extended period of the price living in the area of the extreme overbought conditions, we finally get lower towards 46 points. We bounced a little bit, so that was the corrective bounce ABC, which is supported by the momentum went only to the level of 60. Now we are reversing lower. So if we place another line here, which will be the 50 points line, we can see that if we break this line, we can go towards the extremely oversold conditions, and that would correspond with the level of 61,186 technical support. So the outlook is bearish for the next few days on the Bitcoin to Tether, and this is the main reason why it is happening. And that reason is, of course, the incoming Bitcoin halving. As you can see, I got very nice Bitcoin halving countdown. It looks like 16 days, 21 hours, 17 minutes and 50 seconds left to the Bitcoin halving. Another Bitcoin halving. Estimated time of arrival is April 19, 2024, roughly around 6:05 UTC. But this hour is changing all the time. So that's the main reason why the Bitcoin price action right now is so erratic. The faster we get to the Bitcoin halving date, Bitcoin halving hour, the price action should be even more, let's say, dynamic, more aggressive. So please stay focused, stay vigilant. We are going to update the Bitcoin analysis, and according to our scenario, the Bitcoin price should increase after the halving is finally done. And the next one will be in the next 4 hours. So that's the situation for the Bitcoin analysis. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.